Hi guys, so here's an update of what happened to the 13 cherry blossoms which I planted from seeds more than a year ago. It's almost 2 years now. Yeah, and I'm going to show you what happened to them. This is one of those 13 cherry blossoms that I planted from seeds. Okay, this is the original one. This is located in my shop. I transferred it in front of my shop from my front yard because it's too hot there. Here there's a nice shaded area here because it was almost dying and I had to revive. So I transferred here, and now this is how tall it is. In addition to this update, I'm going to show you again how to propagate by cutting the Palawan cherry blossom. All right. Mind you, it's Palawan cherry blossom, or in our country, it's called balayong. Like I said, it's the counterpart of the cherry blossom from another country. No, so don't be confused. All right, here we call this balayong, and it's actually, there are many you will find in Palawan, Philippines. Here are the others. All right. There are two of them. So notice that they haven't grown very tall yet because, like I showed you in my past video, I actually pruned them many times already, so they're not growing tall. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to transfer one of them to this other pot. Okay, so that they will both grow bigger. Okay, so here's how to repot. Okay, so why are there 3 left? The others I gave away. The others I transferred to another location in the province. The others, they were destroyed by my dogs. Oh yeah, it was sad, but there's nothing I could do. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened to the rest. Now, so another reason I think why it's not growing too fast, it's because I don't put other type of fertilizer aside from vermicast. But lately I'm putting fertilizer 14. Yeah, I don't know how to read that, but it's like that, 14. So yeah, I would like it a little bit faster, so I'm starting to put fertilizer. What I'm going to do is try to propagate more, but I propagate just to show you actually how to propagate, but the truth is I don't keep them here anymore because it's very hot here. So I have to just give away those I successfully propagated in the past. So that's what happened. Okay, because I have a very small space here only, and I have other plants aside from cherry blossom. Okay, now, but for those who would like to know how to plant Palawan cherry blossom from seeds, from germination, to the planting of the seeds up to repotting of the seedlings, okay, you would see from that video. I also made another video showing what happened to them a few months after that. So if you want to see the video, you can just go on my channel and find the video in my playlist Exploring Nature. Or maybe I'm just gonna paste the link on the description box below if you want to easily find them. Okay. The soil that I'm using is just soil or potting mix which I bought. So you can just buy potting mix. Okay, it's composed of loam soil or garden soil and vermicast, cocoa peat, and the carbonized rice hull. So stick on the video, enjoy watching, and like I said, if you have questions, just place it on the comment box. For those who have not subscribed to my channel, guys, subscribe now. It's free, and it's not only this that I teach. There are other things that I share with my viewers. So you might find one which is interesting for you. Before I end this video, I want to greet everyone Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your celebration, and I wish you a prosperous New Year. Okay, so let's all be happy and let's share love with one another. So, I love you guys. I'll see you again. Please keep updated of my videos. Bye.